This is the new and approved, upgraded diaper cake. It's a diaper cake, yes, but it is turned up a notch. Look at them colors popping. Now, if you don't know me, my favorite color is black. So I threw a little bit of black in there to give it that boldness. Yes, this is made for baby boy twins. Yes, twin boys. Now, this particular diaper cake comes with a total of 92 diapers. That is a lot of diapers, but you got to keep in mind it's for 2 babies, okay? So I wanted to make sure the babies had enough diapers, okay? My regular diaper case comes with about 68 diapers, if I'm not mistaken. Look at them colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, if you would like to order a diaper cake from me, please visit my online store at www.delicacycreations.com, or you can make this diaper cake yourself. All you have to do is follow my online course called The Wow Factor, and I will show you step by step how to create this diaper cake. All right? Now, with that being said, please check out my other baby gifts that I have, and y'all have a good one.